and welcome back to Healthy and Happy. I'm Asi Efres, and today we have a super exciting episode for you because we'll be making a salad, very quick but very nutritious salad containing grated carrots, walnuts, garlic and olive oil. All of those are superfoods that will help you feel and look your best. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so to prepare this super salad, we'll be needing 2 carrots, 1 clove of garlic, walnut pieces. You don't have to buy whole walnuts. These are less expensive, and I buy raw walnuts from Trader Joe's. We'll be needing some extra virgin olive oil called first press, and some salt and pepper to taste, and a few utensils, and I'll put all links in the description below. To start, let's clean our carrots. Of course, use organic ingredients when possible. And I'm making just 1 serving of this salad, but you can also double, triple, and quadruple your recipe. So now when our carrots are clean, let's assemble our grater. It's so easy to operate, and it's so effective. All ingredients in the salad are nutrition champions and superfoods. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, which is essential for good vision. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the body. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts also contain polyphenols that have anti-inflammatory effects. Olive oil is something you have to have every day. It's rich in monosaturated fats, which lower bad cholesterol and reduce risk of heart disease. It contains oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory effects similar to ibuprofen. And finally, it's high in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect against oxidative stress. Now, when all carrots are grated, let's disassemble our grater and add other ingredients. So first, let's add garlic, and for 2 carrots you'll be needing 1 clove of garlic, but if you don't use raw garlic in your cooking, it's better to start with little and then increase garlic over time. And then I like to add 3 or 4 tablespoons of walnut pieces, and I actually like them like this big, but you can also crush them further if you like. And I would like to add a pinch of salt to taste, and a little bit of fresh ground pepper. Adds this amazing aroma, and pepper also helps your body to absorb nutrients. And finally, amazing olive oil. Let's add 2 or 3 tablespoons. Now let's see how we're going to do with 2 tablespoons. And then for the olive oil lovers, you can always add more. Alternatively to olive oil, you can use mayonnaise. Mayonnaise in this recipe adds a very beautiful decadent flavor to the salad, and for your mayonnaise lovers, it's also a fantastic variation, which I'm sure your guests will really appreciate. Alright, and look at this color. My goodness, the color of this salad is amazing coral, and I just love the way it looks. But it also tastes amazingly, and it's super good for you. So let's try. And you can have it as side dish, as hors d'oeuvre. You can put it on burgers. Just be creative with it. It's also fantastic for a vegetarian meal. Alright, I can't wait to try it. Let's see. I just absolutely love how all flavors mix together. It is crunchy, it has a touch of sweetness, but also salt and the flavor of garlic make it absolutely delicious. And if you like to get a little more creative with the flavor, you can also add some dates, cut them up and add to the salad, and also prunes if you like. These are all high fiber ingredients that will aid your digestive system. But if you like to cut on sugars, this is your fantastic salad that will allow you to introduce root vegetables in your diet, but also lower their glycemic index, because carrots have slightly higher glycemic index than, let's say, leafy vegetables. So by combining carrots with olive oil and walnuts that are all good fats, you are lowering your glycemic index. So enjoy, and hopefully to see you soon on Healthy and Happy. Thank you for joining me today. If you find this content useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to see more videos from Healthy and Happy. I'm Asi Efros. Thank you so much for watching. And most importantly, stay healthy and happy. Bye.